Hello, people. So I purchased this keyboard slide-out tray from Amazon. It was relatively inexpensive, $69, and I really needed to get my keyboard and mouse off the desk. Just trying to get rid of all the clutter on the desk. It was pretty easy setup, pretty simple, inexpensive. So I really liked it, and I just want to create a quick slide or a video to show you guys the setup. It's not going to be long. I'm going to jump right into it. Okay, so here you go. The tray is pretty simple setup. There's like 4 screws or several screws here, and then you have your clamps at the bottom that's going to attach to the sides of the keyboard tray. And then basically all that'll do is allow you to kind of pull out your keyboard from underneath the desk. I need to get the keyboard and the mouse off the desk, so I just went on and made this quick little purchase. And it looks like it's a pretty quick installation. A couple screws here with the clamp, a couple screws on the other side. You see 2 screws. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that pretty good there. So we're just going to kind of pop those screws on real quick as part of this demonstration, so you guys can kind of see the whole installation here. 2 screws, 2 screws on this side. So kind of do that real quick here. Nothing fancy here, guys, just a screw. They provide you a little small little handy screwdriver inside the kit, which I thought was pretty cool. Some of you guys are probably power drill people. You can do that as well. Little small jobs like this, I just don't run and get my power drill. It's just a couple of turns, or a few turns here. So I'm just literally just screwing that on. So one side is on. So there's a clamp onto one side of the tray, and I'll be able to pull that right out. So one side is done. And we just pop on the other side. A couple screws right there. So that's done. And it's just a really simple setup here. Nothing fancy. Okay, so now both sides are on. So all we're just going to literally do is just clamp this onto the desk, and then just kind of, clamp that on just like that. See that? Just let that raise up. And I'm going to demonstrate on this table here so you guys can kind of see. Should work, but this is not the desk that I'm going to put it on, but I'll just do it for the sake of this video here. And I'm just adjusting these clamps here, raise and lower. And I'm just going to adjust the video just a little bit back so you can kind of see underneath the desk here. Let this out some. Now I'll probably have to do this a couple times just so we can get the proper measurement of the desk here. Yeah. Just a few more turns. Now I'll take a final picture with the keyboard. So I think that's quite perfect measurement. So I'm just going to do the other side. Hope you guys' day is going good. Hope everybody's staying healthy this time that we're living in. A few more twists here. A few more twists here. Okay, so that's kind of the angle that's going to work for me on this table. It's not the angle that's going to work for me on where I'm going to permanently put this, but for the demonstration of this video, it's going to work perfectly. Make some adjustments here so you guys can see what I'm doing. You guys can kind of see on this side what I'm doing here. And that's pretty much it. Okay. So you guys kind of see it. It's all right. Let's see here. So that's it. Cool. All right. Make a couple tightening up that side, tightening up this side, and that's what I'm going with. Cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.